So let's choose your file location. Click on paste prompts. Expand the timeline a bit. Okay. So it comes with an audio of its own and done with editing. So let's play it and see what it looks like.
In the darkest corners of space, massive stars wait. Gravity wins. The star collapses in a fraction of a second. As the core caves in, the outer layers explode outward in a violent supernova. What remains at the center keeps collapsing, crushed tighter and tighter. If the core is massive enough, nothing can stop it, not even light or gravity. Up close, a black hole doesn't look like a hole at all. It appears as a perfectly dark millions of kilometers. Though invisible on their own, we see their power, light, and radiation around them. Black holes are not cosmic vacuum